Okay. Make today the last day you apologize for who you are or who you're becoming. You are made perfectly, and great plans are made just for you. That's your affirmation.
I love it.
That's your surgery affirmation.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're so, I love that. I needed that.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what's yours?
Mine is. I'll put mine. I am a whole lot bolder these days. I take risks and I don't ask permission. I am loved. I am beautiful. I am balanced and I am grounded. I am in love with myself. I love everything about me, from the top of my head down to the bottom of my feet. And as I am preparing to blow up and become the 2.0 version of myself, I choose to speak life and positivity over me. I am sunlight. I am a beacon of light and it shines from within. I am beautiful from the inside out. I am purposeful. I am mine before I am anyone else's, and I am proud to be choosing me. My soul is my biggest flex. My personality is untouched, and my aura can be felt when I step into the room. I am fire. Hell, in fact, I am the fire. I'm tapped in. I am a force unapologetically. I leave a trail of flames as I maneuver throughout my day.
Yes.
I am her. I am showing up as her. I am the audacity that everyone speaks of. I am bold. I stand tall in my decision. I am doing what's best for me, and I am happy about it. I am blessed. I am a walking and talking miracle. I am grateful. I express my gratitude daily. I am covered because I am chosen. I am one of God's favorites. I am a goddess. God in human flesh. God flows through me and is protecting me with every step of the way. I am power. I am a walking affirmation. I am healthy. I am doing my best. I am looking inward instead of outward because everything I need is already within me. I am worry-free. I am uniquely made. I am a winner. I am attracting all things beautiful I am attracting all good things with beauty and grace. I am a magnet for bliss. I am trusting the timing of my life. I am where I am supposed to be at this very moment and doing exactly what I am supposed to be doing. I am deserving, and I have a great support system. They build me up and help to keep me accountable. I am taking my time to heal, and I am listening to my body. I am gracious to my body, and I say thank you to it every day. I am thankful for the legs as they hold up my entire body. I am thankful for my core and back as it provides a flowing mobility throughout my whole body. I am thankful for my arms as they perform several duties and help to maintain order. I am slow to frustration with my body as it recovers the best way it knows how. My future is developing with each breath that I take. I am whole as my body is becoming more beautiful and bold. My greatness is now. I am living in one of the best moments of my life. I am embracing this change. I am.
Oh, yeah. I like that.
But I'm going to record that and put it on the beat so the girls can like.
Good morning, everyone. Today is the morning of surgery. So, we're about to get our baths in and get our hospital bag together. It is 6:51. Driver will be here at 8. One of us will be in surgery at 9. So, yep, that's what's going on. We can't have any breakfast. So, we're just going to be thirsty and hungry until we're done. So, I'm about to get the day started. Hope everyone is having positive thoughts and wishes and prayers over us today. And we'll see you guys when we get to the clinic. All right, guys. So, this is the stuff that I'm packing in my hospital bag. Um, Not much, but everything that I need. That is my hospital bag. I already have my extension cord and my cell phone chargers in there. May or may not need it, depending on the state that I'm in. I might be too out of it to even worry about a phone. But this is my throw blanket that I bring that everywhere. So it's not gonna go in the bag. It's gonna go like across my shoulders until they take me out and take my stuff. So this is my big flowy dress that I plan to wear leaving the hospital. This is my tank. And these are a pair of oversized boxers that I brought just to wear over the faja, because I believe we'll leave in our first stage faja. I got some chuck pads, just in case they may have some, but I got my chuck pads. It don't look like many, but it's a handful. Hopefully I don't need more, but if we're gonna be at a hospital, I expect them to have some if I run out. So these are some poise pads because I am getting an arm lift. So hopefully I don't need more than that. And if so, like I said, they should have some or have something, gauze pads or something to bandage me up with. I got my spirometer. It's not put together, but it's just an easy, stick it in there and, make sure it's secure. And got my spirometer, got my vitamins. Here are some body wipes, because I guess depending on if I bleed some through my clothes or through the bandages or whatever, they might need to wipe me up. I'm not sure if they would use this or something else, but I'm gonna bring them just in case. This is for my face, some witch hazel wipes, just in case, I don't leave right away in the morning. I can have something to at least wash my face or wipe my face and feel a little bit refreshed. These are 2 pairs of compression socks. As you can see, the long one goes all the way up to my thighs. That don't stay around my thighs because my thighs are big, but they are more comfortable than these black ones, the ones that go up to your calf. These are, I think, a little bit too tight. They are tight. I'm not sure if it should be as tight as those fit. So I'm going to wear my thigh highs there, and I'm going to bring those just in case. I think I'm going to bring my neck pillow, because I really don't have to. It's really nothing else extra to carry, because I can, hook it to my overnight bag, or I could just put it around my neck, because somebody's going to have to wait for the other one to get out of surgery. So that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do. That's why I'm bringing my throw blanket too, because I know I may or may not be cold after, but the clinics out here don't really be freezing cold, so we'll see. I'm still going to bring it though, my throw blanket and my neck pillow, because somebody's going to be waiting. Here I want to show y'all, this is some of the stuff that I packed. I did stop at go to the grocery store yesterday and get these. I brought these with me from the dollar store. These are at Family Dollar. Y'all know this is like Cuban coffee, and it's really, really good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring some masks. I'm sure they have gloves. So just my hairbrush, my perfume, and deodorant. And here are the chips for my cheese. I bought some hazelnut coffee creamer. I got that from the dollar store too. I got some cough drops. I got that from the dollar store too. I might put some of those in my bag as well. My carry or travel toothbrush or toothpaste. I got my Monistat. Okay, more wipes, more facial wipes. I got the arnica pills. I also got brought all of my vitamins too. They're in the closet. Some Tums, because some people get acid reflux. Bacteria wipes, antibacterial wipes. My Bactine stool softener. This is some serum for my face from the Queendom Aesthetics in New Orleans. Let me see. I'm surprised it's not focusing. Anywho. Some wires. These my charger wires. I got this for my massages, the arnica gel, because I had them from last time. I didn't use many of them, so I still had some. And some more travel stuff. A travel kit. Breakfast smelled good. I wish I could have some. Right. Yeah, you don't even eat bacon. Tell me, I smell like bacon. You can't eat bacon. These are some ace bandages for, ooh! That could have been tragic. Ace bandages for my arms. And this is just some facial mist that I poured in this travel size bottle. Other than that, I have tank tops, dresses, and tank tops, my dresses, and my clothes, vitamins, stuff like that. So, all right. Well, that's about it. I gotta go get in the shower. I gotta go get in the shower before. Oh, gosh. Gotta go get in the shower before my driver comes. So I wish it could have been a better video with my showing what I packed and stuff like that. But we've been on the move a lot. Yeah, we've been kind of busy. So hopefully it helps somebody though. So that's all, and that's it for now. I'm about to go take a bath, and then when we get to the clinic, we're gonna holler at y'all.